Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sherex token. Ticker symbol is SHRX. Now this is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. They went live for pre-sale on their website starting November 30th, and the pre-sale goes all the way until December 31st. Now this looks like a kind of like a Doge, female Doge princess character meme coin. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a Telegram you could follow at Sherex Coin, 2,488 subscribers. It says Sherex is the new generation of meme coins, and you can preview the Telegram channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the token, regarding the pre-sale, maybe new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, all that good stuff. And same with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Sherex Coin on Twitter. Has a link to their Telegram and webpage on the Twitter there, so you're going to find all the links. If you click on the webpage link, that will take you right to where the pre-sale is. So Shrx.io, it says ticker symbol SHRX, the first female-led meme coin on BNB, mother of all meme coins. Join the Queen's Palace. Join the pre-sale. Just joined September 2024 on Twitter. 1,821 followers, blue verified checkmark, and 97 tweets. So if you go to the webpage, Shrx.io, which is linked on the Twitter there, they have a pre-sale box right at the top of the page. It says Connect Wallet. So you would get like a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet. You would fund that wallet with BNB. Then you would connect your wallets to the pre-sale page here. Punch in how much of BNB you want to spend. It'll tell you how much SHRX tokens you get for that amount. You click purchase when the pre-sale is over. Then they will, send you your tokens. And then basically they have here also a countdown. It says next price increases, and they count down the days and hours. And basically the earlier you get in these type of pre-sales, the more of a discount you get until the listing price, and then you would have, saved a bunch of money. If everything works out, of course. Crypto is very volatile, like I mentioned earlier. Now, Sherex is a groundbreaking addition to the meme coin market, aiming to establish itself as the ultimate platform for all things meme coin. As the decentralized exchange DEX designed specifically for meme coins, Sherex enables you to buy, trade, and manage your favorite meme coin securely and with unprecedented ease. Built on top of the Binance Smart Chain with efficiency and scalability, the Sherex ecosystem supports a wide array of payment options, creating a unique and inclusive experience tailored for meme coin enthusiasts. Driven by the character Sherex, a powerful wolf woman with a royal, confident persona, the project brands itself as the mother of all meme coins. Sherex stands as a dominant figure among existing meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe, setting the stage for a thriving community and a one-stop DEX for meme coin trading. Now, the Sherex token forms the core of the platform's ecosystem, supporting governance, rewarding loyal users, and enabling seamless transactions. The project's tokenomics are designed to ensure long-term sustainability and community growth through a structured rollout, Key milestones include an initial token launch and a private sale in October 2024, followed by pre-market sale and community airdrops in November. With a public sale slated for January 2025, Sherex is setting out to be listed on exchanges in February 2025, further boosting its accessibility and reach within the global crypto market. While the Sherex team remains anonymous, it is composed of experienced professionals with extensive backgrounds in finance, blockchain development, and marketing. They are supported by a group of advisors, including prominent figures in the DeFi space, key opinion leaders, and major investors who will guide Sherex through its journey in market dominance. With a clear roadmap, innovative design, and strong commitment to security, Sherex is positioned to become a major player in the Memecoin ecosystem, making it easier for users to trade their favorite meme assets. And there's a full white paper that you can check out that outlines all the tokenomics, roadmap, all that type of stuff. So it says here their mission goals. Sherex is committed to reshaping the Memecoin experience through the following key goals: expanding access, so develop an accessible, decentralized platform where users can easily buy, trade, and manage meme coins regardless of experience level. Simplify transactions, reduce the complexity often associated with crypto transactions, offering a seamless trading experience with diverse payment methods and low fees. Ensure security, so implement robust security measures to safeguard user assets and data, establishing Sherex as a trusted name in the meme coin community. And build a community, create an inclusive, vibrant community of meme coin enthusiasts where users can connect to learn and participate in governance decisions shaping the future of Sherex together. So they're going to have secure trading. They're going to have the multi-payment options, enhanced user experience, and they have the tokenomics here. Basically, 2.5% of the tokens go to private sale, 5% goes to the pre-sale, 25% goes to public sale for liquidity and central exchange listings, 21% goes to LP rewards, 7% reserve, 6% ecosystem development, 15% marketing and airdrop, 4% goes to advisors, early contributors, partnerships, 13.7% goes to founders and teams, and 0.8% goes to liquidity and market makers. So the token can be used for governance, transaction fees, rewards and incentives, and there's also a burning mechanism. So go check this pre-sale out. You can find all the links right here on the Twitter. You can also find this token listed in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this pre-sale? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.